Let me ask you something. When was the last time you got a full night of sleep and actually felt good the next day? If you're like most seniors, that probably sounds rare. Maybe you toss and turn at night. Maybe you wake up every few hours. Or maybe you sleep a full 8 hours, but still wake up feeling groggy and drained. And that's the thing. Sleep troubles are not always about getting older. Sometimes it's the small things we do before bed, or even during the night, that get in the way of real rest. If you feel tired all day, struggle to focus, or your mood just seems off, your sleep could be the reason. In this video, I'll show you 7 sleep habits that can seriously harm senior health. Some might seem harmless. Some you might be doing every night without realizing the damage. But the good news is that each one can be fixed. Before we get into each of these sleep habits, if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, I will encourage you to click the subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you can stay up to date with all new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share the video. Now, let's start with the first habit. Going to bed too early. It might seem like going to bed right after dinner is a good idea. You're full, you're relaxed, and there's nothing on your schedule. But here's the problem. Your body has a natural sleep clock. This clock, called your circadian rhythm, works best when you follow a regular sleep pattern. If you go to bed too early, let's say around 7 or 8 in the evening, you might fall asleep quickly. But you will likely wake up at 2 or 3 in the morning and not be able to fall back asleep. That's because your body was not ready to stay asleep for the full night. Many seniors end up in a cycle of early bedtimes and early wake-ups, feeling restless and tired during the day. What to do instead? Wait until you actually feel sleepy before getting in bed. Try to set a regular bedtime, around 9:30 or 10 if possible. Doing something relaxing in the evening like reading, journaling, or listening to calming music can help you wind down gently without rushing to bed too soon. Habit 2. Napping too much during the day. Naps can be helpful. A short nap after lunch can boost your energy and improve your mood. But if you're taking long naps or multiple naps, it can ruin your ability to sleep at night. This is something I see a lot. A senior feels tired in the morning, so they take a nap. Then they nap again in the afternoon. When night comes, they are not tired enough to fall asleep, or they fall asleep late and wake up groggy. The cycle just repeats. Too much daytime sleep can confuse your body's rhythm. Your brain does not know when it's supposed to be awake or asleep. What can you do? Keep naps short, about 20 to 30 minutes. Try not to nap too late in the day. Early afternoon is the best time. If you're feeling sleepy, get some sunlight or take a short walk instead. This helps reset your body clock and can actually improve sleep at night. Habit 3. Watching TV or using screens. In bed, many people enjoy falling asleep to a television show or scrolling on their phone. It feels like it helps you relax. But the light from screens, including TVs, tablets, and phones, sends the wrong message to your brain. That blue light blocks the release of melatonin, which is the hormone that helps you fall asleep. Even if your eyes get tired, your brain stays alert. You might fall asleep with the TV on, but the quality of your sleep is poor. You may wake up several times through the night without even realizing it. What to do instead? Make your bedroom a screen-free space at least 1 hour before bed. Turn off the TV, put the phone away, and try softer ways to relax. Reading a physical book, stretching, praying, or listening to soft music or nature sounds can calm the mind without messing with your sleep hormones. Habit 4. Drinking too many fluids before bed. This one sounds simple, but it's one of the most common sleep mistakes I see in seniors. Staying hydrated is very important. But if you drink too much water, juice, or tea right before bed, your bladder will wake you up. You might end up going to the bathroom 2 or 3 times during the night. That breaks up your sleep cycle, and even if you fall back asleep, your body does not go into deep sleep the way it should. How to fix it? Drink more fluids earlier in the day, and then begin to slow down your intake about 2 hours before bedtime. You can still sip water if you feel thirsty, but try not to drink full cups. That one change can lead to deeper, longer sleep without interruptions. Habit 5. Relying too much on sleep medications. This is a serious one. A lot of seniors are prescribed sleep aids, or they take over-the-counter sleep medicine when they cannot fall asleep. While these may help once in a while, using them too often can lead to other problems. Some sleep pills cause next-day drowsiness, memory problems, dizziness, or confusion. Others can become habit-forming. Over time, your body may rely on them just to fall asleep. And for seniors, the risk of falls, poor balance, or brain fog gets even higher with regular use. What to do instead? Use medications only when absolutely needed, and only under your doctor's care. If you're depending on them more than once or twice a week, it is time to talk to your doctor about better long-term options. Many seniors find success with natural sleep routines, gentle nighttime stretches, or calming herbal teas like chamomile or lemon balm. Habit 6. Having an unstable bedtime routine. Going to bed at 9 one night and midnight, the next confuses your body. Your internal clock thrives on rhythm. When bedtime changes every night, your brain struggles to know when to release sleep hormones. This leads to poor sleep quality, trouble falling asleep, and waking up feeling unrested. What helps? Create a bedtime routine and stick with it even on weekends. That means going to sleep and waking up at the same time every day. It may feel strict at first, but your body will adjust. Over time, you will notice that you fall asleep faster and wake up feeling clearer and more refreshed. Start small. Set your alarm for the same time each morning. Your bedtime will start to follow naturally. Habit 7. Worrying while in bed. This is one I hear about all the time. You get into bed, and your brain just will not stop. You start thinking about bills, your health, your kids, the news. One thought leads to another, and before you know it, an hour has passed, and you are still wide awake. This habit teaches your brain to link bedtime with stress. Your body might feel tired, but your mind is racing. It becomes harder and harder to fall asleep. How to change it? If you find yourself lying in bed worrying for more than 15 minutes, get up and sit somewhere quiet. Try writing down what is on your mind, or just sit and breathe slowly. Let yourself calm down, then go back to bed when your body feels ready. Another tip is to create a worry time earlier in the day. Set aside 10 minutes to think, pray, or write about your concerns. That way, your mind does not have to carry it all into the night. Sleep is not just about feeling rested. It supports memory, heart health, mood, and energy. For seniors, good sleep is one of the strongest tools for staying sharp and independent. If you're doing any of these habits right now, do not feel bad. These are easy mistakes to make. What matters is that now you know, and you can start making changes tonight. If this video has helped you, please hit that like button and share it with someone who could use it too. And of course, subscribe to stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.